Hi there, Black Eyed here. This is just another short video. I'm going to show you how easy it is to change the battery of your OEM key alarm. The car I got here is a 2010 Toyota Vios Gen 2. Okay, so here's the key. So the first thing that you need to do is look for a notch here on the top, so you can see here. Okay, so you can use a screwdriver to pry it open. Okay, so as you can see. Okay, so you'll be able to see here's the module, the key module itself. So you need to also get the module out from the key housing, so you can pry it on top. And in order for you to change the battery, you need a CR2016 or CR2016 battery. So I recommend in using a legitimate or authentic battery, because I tried to use a cheap kind of battery and it won't last that long. I think around 6 months. Then I decided to just use an original one. It costs a bit higher compared to the cheap one, but I think that this will last for years, 3 or more years. Okay, so how to change it is you just need to open this module up. On the lower part of the module, there's a notch here that you can pry open. Okay, so just simply or gently lift it up, then there's the battery. Okay, so I already changed this battery. This is just my spare battery. As you can see, it's same brand, Maxell. Okay, so the positive side should be facing you, or it should be on top. You can see here. Okay, so just put back the cover. Okay, and it will pop once it's placed properly, and just put the module back on the key housing and close it down. Okay, so to test if you've successfully replaced the battery, if you press here, there should be an LED light here. Okay, so as you can see, it's lighting up. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can leave your questions down the comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.